Hello and welcome back. We're now on the third screen. Yeah, and there it is, as you can see from your end. So today we're going to design this screen, the middle one. This was the original design, so we're going to duplicate it to our own liking. So this is what I achieved, managed to achieve. There it is, and this was the second screen, and that was the first one. So wish me luck, let's do it. So I'm going to delete it completely and then we start afresh. And it's gone. So let me drag this to the other side. Let it be there. Let it remain there for a moment. And then we focus on building this new one. So I'll go to my frames and then I'll go with iPhone 17 frame. Let me bring it this side. There will be fine, I think so. Let me see if it can fit two screens. Nice one. I think I can bring the first screen to the far end. There will be fine. Okay, so first let us work on our corners. I'll go with 40 pixel on the radius. There we go. Then I'll change the color of our background. First, let me name this status screen. Done. So let me change the background of the color of our background to dark green, maybe. What is the name of this color? You can leave a comment there. I don't know myself. So let me add the background effects. I am using an oval shape. So let's start with the first part first, like that. Let me put it there. Maybe increase it by width and height a little bit. I think that will be fine. Then let me change its color to green. Then let's duplicate it. Duplicated, rotate it, and then let's increase its width and height to fit our space. I think around there will be perfect. Okay, so now that we have those two, let's now apply the effects. So we'll need a rectangle and need to fit it on the entire screen, and then we'll change the color to white. Let me fit it correctly. Bring it out and bring it back in, and then let's change its opacity to 2%, that way. And then Let's apply effects, background blur, and then let's set the blur to 160. And there we go. We have our background. So let me now let me make sure to select it, the rectangular and the two ovals. I am holding shift, and then let us put them in a group. Let me name it BG for background, and then lock it. There we go. So let's proceed. Okay, now that we have that, next we need a status bar. Let me use this one, drag and drop, center it correctly, top center, that is in check. Let me lock that too. Then let's proceed. Now I need to mark my edges. I'm using 20 pixel. So let me draw 20 pixel. Holding my shift. 20, almost there. And there. Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. So let me bring it, start with left side of the application or the design, and then the right side. Let's mark it there. It's perfect. So another thing I'm going to reuse from our past design is the up bar. So let me just drag and drop. I'm holding Windows button. Actually I'm using a Mac Mini M4. So this is how I messed up with my settings. So I'm holding on a command button. So let me align it perfectly. There should be okay. Then rename this to status. Then I need to center it correctly. There should be perfect. Nice one. So let me drop this ruler there, or guide, whichever name you will prefer to give it. It's okay with me. So for those who are new here, welcome. Feel at home. Leave a comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, help your boy to grow, man. I just need 100 subscribers. I'll appreciate at least to motivate me to do this, you know. All right, so having said that, let's proceed. So the first part of the application, it has a title, and then it has two cards. I'll say, and then inside the card there is a title and there is time. So let's work on that real quick. So today, so for this one, I think I will reduce the font and the font weight I will set it to medium. Regular medium should be okay. And then the font size, I'll go with 16, or let me go with just 20. Looks good. Then let us bring our ruler there, then another 20 pixel, right? Okay, so let me draw the two boxes. I don't know if the height, I might go with 100, and then all bring the other one. So in the middle, I'll go with 20. I'll say, let me center it there. So I should go with 20. There should be fine, and there should be fine. Okay. So let me work on the corners. Let me go with 12. It'll be perfect, and the other one 12. Should do. Right. So the colors, I'll go with the gradient. My lord. Okay, so I'll do white both. The first one should be white, and then I will mess up around with opacity. The second one should be white, and then I'll reduce the opacity of the second one, of the first one rather. Reduce it to around the 15%. Should be okay. And then just trying to mess up with it, then I'll ring it on top around there, and then I will play with the angle. There should be fine. Then also I will reduce the opacity of the second one. Maybe should go with 50%. Should be okay. And then the other one should be 15. 15 should be okay, right? I think so. There. Let me mess around with the angle again. There should be okay. Yeah, looking good. Maybe I should mess with the angle a bit more. Bring it on top. There should be fine. That's looking okay by me. Let me duplicate this. That one should be okay. So for this one, I don't know, leave it that way maybe. Okay, let's proceed. So we need the title, but again here we'll need a 10 pixel box. And by 10, that should be fine. Then let me zoom it in a little bit. There should be fine. And a ruler. There should be fine. The same with the other side. There should be fine, right? So the title is focus. Focus. And then the time is 3 hours 16 minutes. Okay, so let us work on the fonts. For this one, I'll go with 12. 12 should be fine by me. And then semi-bold maybe. And then the time I should go with medium, and then I will go with 36. Maybe I should go with regular. Then should make sure they're both aligned well. Maybe 10 pixel apart. Then maybe I should duplicate this first. Then after duplicating it, I should maybe group it and then center it. There. Bring it. That is okay. This one is medium. Okay, I'll make the adjustment later. So 10 pixel. Let me do 5 and see how it looks. 5, not bad, looks perfect. Let me group it. Also the other one, I think we should go with 5. Then maybe I should reduce this to 90. The other one to 90. Then let me center it vertically. Also this one, center it vertically. That should be okay. Right, so let us proceed. So here I might need that one and this one. So there should be perfect. And then let's bring our title in. I think this is the most important, maybe I'll say, and most difficult part of this design, of today's design. So let me add. And for those who are here, kindly remember to subscribe and to like and to share. If all of you who are watching can subscribe and share and like, at least you'll help me to reach somewhere. I'll help your boy to grow. Okay, having said that, and thank you for your subscription, I appreciate it. Let's proceed now. So your focus, progress. So this one I will medium font weight, and then the font size I'll go with 16. Should be okay. Then let me try to center it correctly, and then from here I will take 20 pixels. Should be okay. So I need a rectangle. Oh. pronunciations, my friend. So I think I'll make it as big as I can, around 300 maybe should be fine, or 250 rather. Let's go with 250 maybe. There. Then let me work on the radius. Let me go with 12 pixel. Then the color, let's go with white, and 15 pixel maybe. 15% opacity, not pixel. And then I forgot to add some stroke here, a green color with opacity of 50%. Same to this stroke, and 50% opacity should be okay. Same to this stroke, 50% opacity should be okay. Okay, so we're here. So on top, maybe I'll do 20. Oh, I don't know. Will I do 20? Let me do 20. And then on the sideway, let me go with 10. It's already set. Let me do it for this other side. I forgot to bring that on top. Right. And for those who don't know me, I'm meant to be a programmer and a designer with Kohaka. I do so many things by the grace of God. Let's proceed. Your focus journey. Let us place it there. It'll be okay. And then let's work on this button from the other side. So I don't know. Let me see what I can do. Maybe I should go with 50, a bit too large. Maybe I should do 40. 40 looks fine, and then 140. Let's try that. So let me work on the radius, do 12. Maybe 18 to make it more round, and then change the color, 2 colors, white and white. Maybe white and what else? White and dark green, something like that. Then let me play with the angle, something like that. Then let me work on the opacity. 50% should be okay. Maybe 30, 25. 25 maybe. Yeah, 25 should be okay. Around there. Then the other one, let us also reduce the opacity to something like 50. 50 should be okay. Then let me add the effects. Spread. Blur to 20. Spread to 2 maybe. We should be okay. Change the color to that one. Reduce the opacity of the color to around 5 or 10. And spread. Maybe I should go with 5. That one does not look bad itself. Work on the angle, maybe around there. Reduce it to maybe 2%. Should be okay. Doesn't look bad. Okay. You need that icon. Change the color of the icon to white. Zoom. Last 7 days. Reduce the font size maybe to 12. Then let's center it correctly. Doesn't look bad. Let's leave it that way for the meantime. So let me see the title if I can try. So for this one, I can go with 10 pixel. That way should be okay. 10 pixel. That is fine by me. Okay, let's proceed. Another title. Focus per day average. Maybe I shall reduce this to 12. Change the color to something more darker. Then from here 10 pixel. Right. So far so good. So let's proceed. To making now with the chart. 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Six H. Let me take a frame. Maybe I'll do 20 or rather 30. Let me do 30. Drag it there. Go with 8. Another 8. Then let me duplicate. So 8 5 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. That one should be okay. So there is 5 4, and then that should be number 3, number 2, 1, and then 0. 0 minutes. That should be okay. That should be fine. So let me copy, paste. This one will color it to white. Maybe darker color. For this one, the background, remove the background. For the fonts, maybe I should go with I don't know, 11, and then regular. Fine. The 5 hour will be lighter. White. That should be okay. So let's go for the days of the week. Let's start with Sunday. Make it a component. Then let's go for the length. Start from around, I don't know, from here to around there. So the height, I should go with 30. Over this to a frame. All in copy. Maybe 8 pixels should be okay, or 10 rather, 10. Another 10. Can duplicate Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday. That should be okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. Begin from there. Then it should go all the way up to there. Okay. There should be fine. Let's see how that goes. That should be fine. Well, let's remove the color. The other one, that color should be okay. One should be lighter. Okay, so we are done with that. The next step is to work on the bars. The bars, maybe I should go with I don't know, that should be okay. Then the top part I'll go with 8. Yeah, it should be fine. And then the color I'll go with on the top, let me add one more, so that on the top I'll go with this one. Middle I'll go with orange. Then at the bottom I'll go with that one, but reduce the opacity to 50. That one should be okay. Maybe I should reduce the opacity a little more there to 20. 20 should be fine. Maybe a little more. To 2% maybe. 2%. Yeah, that is perfect. And the entire opacity to 80. Yeah, 80 should be fine. Bring it around there. Reduce the space for the text. them in a group and then reduce the spacing to maybe 26 should be fine. And let me try to center it. That should be okay. Now duplicate this. Do the same. I just do that there. Then we'll play with the heights maybe. This should be on 5. This one should be a bit taller. So for Thursday, opacity should be 100%. Then I may try maybe to add some effects or to show that it is active. Maybe, I don't know. I'm thinking of something. But there, a bit bigger. Then let me go with 12. Want it the back, so should bring this on the top there. And then for this one, the color should go with let me see. Try to reduce the opacity, the color. Something like that. Then I should try to blur the layer. Something like that. Maybe I should increase the width. Then I try to center the width. It doesn't look bad itself. Okay, let's go. Try to select all this, put in a group, select this one and this one, a group, and also add that one, that one, that one. And then for this one and this one in a group, and then this one and that one, then the whole thing in a group. Okay, bring the ruler and there. Let me take the title, duplicate it, bring it there. Again, another 20. There should be okay. Then we copy the whole thing, bring it there. There should be okay. We change this one. Productivity review, and then daily focus, progressions, inch. Listen to 1 hour, 50 minutes. 20 minutes. 30 minutes. 20 minutes. 10 minutes. Then maybe we should try to adjust there. Also to adjust that one. I think that should be okay. Then finally she'll bring the bottom navigation. From the top should be around 20 pixels. Bring it to the top. And there should be okay. That should be fine. Let me see, what have I not implemented? Okay, so let me clear all these and see what we have. This should be fine. Okay, so there it is. Let me get rid of that. So there I have it. So what do you think? Did I nail it or not? There it is. I think it looks better, looks good. Maybe, just maybe, should reduce this to a smaller, 32, and then it should be 5. Maybe I should do it 5. I think it is fine. 5 is okay. The middle 32 should be okay. 32 should be fine. Yeah, that looks better. Let's see. I think it looks good, huh? Try to darken this. 50%. change the color to something darker. Maybe 50%. Be okay. Yeah, I think it's okay, it's fine. Okay, thank you guys, that has been it. Till next time, goodbye.